so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make a checkerboard pattern. So to make it, it's kind of like how you make the center pattern, but it's a bit different because when you turn the center, you actually have to do it twice, and then you have to like see. So this is my here. It's turned twice, and you have to turn the whole cube and do it again. See here, you gotta cross and like double crosses. Now, if you like go to the other side, you can just, if you have this kind of shape, so you can just do again double this. Whole cube has, it's like a checkerboard pattern type, and to solve it's kind of as same but reverse. So you pick any side you want. Suppose I pick blue plus, and then what you do, you bring the center back to that cross, and then you turn the whole cube, do that again, and then you got one side finished. Now you just solve the ones like this, and as you can see here, it's also you solve. So that's how you can solve this checkerboard pattern. So you can say in the comments what other things by this, and if you did